Hey guys, I am fixing cube steak in my crock pot. And what I've added is a jar of mushrooms, a can of cream of mushrooms, minced onion, one whole sweet onion, brown gravy mix, and I'm flouring. I'm putting flour on these cube steak and we'll put them in the crock pot. I floured them very lightly. I'm putting them down into all this mixture with the mushrooms and the onions and the cream of mushroom soup and brown gravy mix. And I'm going to cook this on slow, the crock pot on low, for 6 hours. So I'll be back when it gets done. Okay guys, it is done, it is done, it is done, it is done, and we're getting ready to serve it. So, give me a minute and I'll show you how it's plated up. Guys, I took some red skin potatoes, cut them in half, boiled them on top of the stove about 15 to 30 minutes. Then put them in the oven and roasted them about 250 to 300. So this will be added to our dish. Okay guys, we have plated it up. It's tender. You can tell it's just really, really tender. 6 hours in the crock pot. Hope you can try this. And these potatoes are the last minute thing I wanted to do. But anyway, hope you guys have a great day, happy day. Enjoy this. And just put it in your crock pot. And I'll see you tomorrow. Love you guys. Until...
Hey, Katie, this looks like it's going to be good. I can't wait to taste it. Let's check it out.
Good?
That's good.